Real scramble going on in there, and Koivisto goes to shot in, but Mikkelsen stands firm. Low cross towards the far post, and just wide as Addison came flying in. In comes the corner. All the way through and headed, and off the line, hasn't crossed the line. Well, there's appeals. In it comes from Verb. All the way through and onto the bar. Tottenham have another chance and it's cleared off the line. Drops to Kagman on the half volley. Sweet finish by the Dutch woman and into the back of the net. Brighton take the lead. A really smart strike by Inessa Kagman. Smashed into the back of the net. Well, again, a goal from almost nowhere. And he comes towards the near post, strikes the woodwork, and Green gets on the end of it. Up and almost over the bar, drops to Addison and scrambled away. Long range shot, and it's just fingertips by Mikkelsen onto the bar. Connolly comes in and heads it back onto the woodwork. Long shot off the bar again. The full-time whistle goes. Brighton have taken the point.